two main resources. One is there is a command line utility called Rio that comes with this Python package called raster. So if you install that and you have a command line utility where you can run it on any data, which will tell you it is a valid cog or not. If you want to integrate this into your own workflow, there's a Python package as well available. So you can use this via Python. Let's just demonstrate that. So I'm going to demonstrate how do you validate COGs using two different methods. So let's open a terminal. Here we need to install some packages.
Sorry, Ujjwal, I might have missed it. So when we say validate COGs, what do we mean?
To check if the file is a COG or not. How can we check if a particular file is a valid COG or not? A GeoTIFF file having additional metadata and additional layout will make it a valid COG. So if you have a TIFF, you don't know it is a regular GeoTIFF or is it a COG, you can try these options. The first option will install this library called raster, which comes with this utility called Rio, which has an option to check whether a file is a valid COG or not. So here I've installed this on a new environment. And we have this here. So now we have this utility called Rio. It's a command line utility similar to all the GDAL tools that we've been learning. And this allows you to just check the validity of a COG. It also allows you to create a COG, etc. So these are the different commands it offers. Let's try this on some of the files that we have created here. So we have these two files, merge.tiff and merge.cog.tiff. I'm going to say Rio COGEO validate merged cog.tiff. This is going to ask whether this is a valid COG or not. And it says, this is a valid cloud optimized GeoTIFF. That's the answer. I'm going to ask on the regular GeoTIFF file. And it says some errors. This is not a valid COG. There are no internal tiles inside of this. So please fix that. And so again, this is a utility you can run on your different machines. You can run on different files and check that. This also works on cloud datasets. So I can also run this and say, I have this file in a cloud bucket. I don't know if it's a COG or not. I can just prefix the URL with VSI curl. This allows GDAL to go and query the file on the internet, and it'll tell you whether this file is a COG or not. And again, this is a valid cloud optimized GeoTIFF. So if you want to do this on your system, go ahead and install this packages, get the Rio command line, and you'll be able to do this. When I tried installing in the current GDAL environment that I had, there was some conflict. So if you want to install this, start a fresh environment, and you can install this tool, raster.io, Rio COGEO, and GDAL, all of this together. You get a different version of the GDAL library, which is compatible with all of those. So make sure to do a new environment if you want to try this. There's another way to do this. There's a script here, a Python script that is provided here. You can just download this to your machine and say, I have this Python file, and you can use this to validate whether COG is valid or not. So I can say Python, just download it to this location. You can put it in wherever you want. And you can ask this and just give the name of the file. It's merged cog.tiff. And when we ask it, it says this is a valid cloud optimized GeoTIFF. You can also run this in Python code. So you can import this file, and in your Python code, you're creating something, you're checking some files. You can also run this as a function, which will return true or false. Okay, so these are some of the ways to check whether an existing file is a COG or not. So the Rio command also allows you to create a COG, but I think GDAL commands are much more powerful and offers you more flexibility. So I would prefer GDAL for creating COGs.